Good morning children. Today in our GK class we are going to discuss about nutritional deficiency diseases. First of all we should know what is nutritional deficiency disease. It is a disease that is caused by the lack of an element in the diet, usually a particular vitamin or mineral. So our body, it requires many different minerals and vitamins that are crucial for both the development of the body and to prevent it from disease. These vitamins and minerals are often required to as micronutrients. They aren't produced naturally in the body, so we have to get them from our diet. So, nutritional deficiency occurs when the body doesn't absorb or get from the food the necessary amount of nutrient. Deficiencies can lead to a variety of health problems. So, there are some diseases we are going to discuss in this chapter. First disease, which is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B3 or niacin, is Allegra. As you can see in the picture, this disease is called Allegra and this is characterized by inflamed scaly skin. The skin seems to be burnt. We can see the tongue of the person. It is red and thickened. The throat becomes sore and severe conditions may lead to death. Now the food items which we can eat to prevent from pellagra are the food that contains niacin or vitamin B3. These are avocados, broccoli, tomatoes, dates, mushrooms, asparagus, Swiss chard, pumpkin seeds, sweet potatoes, carrots, almonds, spinach. The niacin is important for us to include in our daily diet. It has been shown to greatly reduce anxiety and depression. Niacin is also needed to help lower cholesterol level. Now the next disease which we are going to discuss is due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. It is a disease that is characterized by bleeding gums, skin spots, and swelling in joints. It also affects the immune system and can be dangerous in acute conditions. The food items which are rich in vitamin C are kiwi, mango, berries, papaya, pineapple, citrus fruits, cauliflower, pepper fruit, broccoli, potatoes, spinach and tomatoes. Now the next disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A, and the deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Night blindness, eating a diet deficient in vitamin A over a period of time may result in a condition called night blindness. It is a type of vision impairment also known as nyctalopia. People with night blindness experience poor vision at night or in dimly lit environments. Although the term night blindness implies that we can't see at night, but it is not the case. The food which we should eat to prevent from night blindness are carrots, papaya, squash, apricots, peaches, broccoli, melon, meat, fish, eggs, cheese, sweet potatoes, mango, pepper, avocados. Now, treatment for night blindness will depend upon its cause. A treatment may be as simple as getting a new glass prescribed by the doctors. The next vitamin deficiency disease is anemia. Anemia is a condition when your blood lacks enough healthy red blood cells or hemoglobin. Now, deficiency occurs when the blood doesn't have enough of mineral iron. This leads to abnormally low levels of red blood cells. That's because iron is needed to make hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells that enables them to carry oxygen around the body. The food items which are rich in iron are chicken, liver, uh, pork, beef, egg yolk, shrimp, clams, and fortified cereals, broccoli, potatoes, dried beans, green peas, spinach, and fortified cereals, raisins, dried apricots, watermelon, and then top 5 iron-rich vegetables are broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cooked spinach, kale, and peas. The next disease is caused due to the lack of vitamin K, and this is causes non-clotting of blood. Vitamin K deficiency causes non-clotting of blood. Severe vitamin K deficiency can cause bleeding problems because the blood will take longer to clot. Vitamin K deficiency might reduce the bone strength and increase the risk of getting osteoporosis because the body needs vitamin K for healthy bones. Vitamin K is an important blood coagulating nutrient. Its deficiency is common in children and leads to excessive bleeding due to inability to form blood clots. The food items which prevent us from the deficiency should be rich in vitamin K, and the food items includes the members of the cabbage family. They are leafy green vegetables, and liver also is prescribed. Now the deficiency disease, which is the next one, is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D, and that is ricket. Ricket is a condition that affects bone development in children. It causes bone pain, poor growth, and soft, weak bones that can lead to bone deformities. Adults can experience a similar condition which is known as osteomalacia or soft bones. As you can see in the picture, the bone deformity is there. Now, the food items which are rich in vitamin D, they are fatty fish, mushrooms, sour cream, egg yolk, butter, milk, yogurt. People get vitamin D through food and by exposure to sunlight. Now, the other disease which we are going to discuss is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B1, and that is beriberi. So, beriberi is a disease whose symptoms include weight loss, body weakness and pain, brain damage, irregular heart rate, heart failure, and death if left untreated. Now, the food items which are rich in vitamin B1, they are watermelon, apricots, meat, green peas, carrots, spinach, sunflower seeds, tomatoes, soy milk. The benefits of vitamin B1 are it supports nerve function, converts food into energy, and help the body to metabolize fats and proteins. Now, the other disease which is caused is due to the deficiency of vitamin B12. If we are deficient in vitamin B12, our body isn't able to produce enough RBCs, and it will affect the efficiency of red blood cells to work. Now, vitamin B12 is important for metabolism and the formation of red blood cells and the maintenance of the central nervous system, so that our nervous system can work properly. And the nervous system, it includes the brain and the spinal cord. Now, the food items which are rich in vitamin B12, they are almonds, fish, milk, red meat, eggs, crab, cheese and chicken. Now, the next disease which we are going to discuss is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. The deficiency of iodine leads to goiter. Now, goiter is A gland, goiter is a gland which is present below in a at the base of our neck, just below the Adam's apple, and it is an abnormal enlargement of the thyroid gland. Although goiters are usually painless, a large goiter can cause a cough and make it difficult for us to swallow or breathe. Now the food items which are rich in are sardines, salmon, shrimp, yogurt, strawberries, sea vegetables. Now the other disease which we are going to discuss is caused due to the deficiency of calcium. As we all know that calcium is necessary for the formation of bones and muscles, and if there is a lack of calcium, then there will be bone deformities, as well as the teeth can there will be not proper development of the teeth. Calcium is an important mineral that the body needs. It helps build strong bones and teeth, and also plays a big role in how the body functions. It helps regular blood pressure, hormones, enzymes, and muscle signals. The food items which are rich in calcium, they include almond, soy proteins, beans, fish, broccoli, peas, meat, date and dairy products, and oranges. So it is said that to prevent from deficiency disease, we should have balanced diet, the diet which is rich in all the nutrients.